Hello and welcome to our next episode of Mastering Pure Variants. In this video, we will talk about why pure variants is useful for your company and what exactly is software product line engineering. So, let's start with the basics. The main difference between traditional software development and SPLE is the logical separation between developing core reusable software assets and actual applications. In SPLE, we describe commonalities and variabilities in the product line using problem space. This reflects the range of possible applications known as product variants and their interdependencies. The solution space, on the other hand, describes the core assets of the product line and how they relate to problem space. This includes rules for selecting platform elements based on problem space values. Combining the problem space and solution space with domain and application engineering results in a four-part division. This can be modeled using feature models, domain-specific languages, component libraries, and more. In summary, SPLE allows for efficient development of a range of related software products by separating core assets development from application development. This leads to flexible and maintainable product lines. That's all for today, thank you for watching, and until next time.